Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's a profound privilege to lead Team Memon Medical Institute Hospital under the umbrella of Memon Health and Education Foundation. A visionary concept was conceived in 2002 and 15 founding members established Memon Health and Education Foundation with its flagship project of Memon Medical Institute Hospital. Initially started in 2010 and gradually and slowly is being expanded, and now we are working at 275 beds, tertiary care multidisciplinary hospital, and expanding to 550 beds with a teaching facility. By the grace of Almighty Allah, this not-for-profit organization has served the community with pride. We are a multidisciplinary hospital where a dedicated and a professional team is working and indeed serving all factions of our community. We have a vision to be a role model for caring, curing, education, training, research and employment. And the mission of the organization, which is being fulfilled with great endeavor, with a great success and with great passion, that is to be accessible and affordable in all healthcare and education facilities to all, with empathy, dignity and respect, irrespective of their caste, creed, color, religion, or even ability to pay. So we are maintaining the international standards of healthcare delivery, still serving the community with great welfare support. Any person who comes here, if he is not affording or underprivileged, he or she is supported through welfare department. Our financial discipline is very strict, and none of the money in any sort, whether in cash or in kind, goes back to anybody who established this hospital. Whatever we earn, it is re-rolled. And our prices of services have been under strict costing mechanism. The financial figures rose from 2.8 billion net revenue to 3.5 billion net revenue in 24-25. That is an evidence of growing belief in our services. The number of patients rose from 265,000 to 430,000 last year who were attended, treated and given respite by the team of Memon Medical Institute Hospital. This growing concept, this growing confidence of the people is an evidence that we are serving in the right direction. We are providing the cutting edge technologies and we are adopting the international standards. The premises of our hospital is worth visiting, even if you are not sick. If you come here, there's a respiring and soothing environment. The ambient environment and motivated people with smiling faces you will see everywhere around. We are doing other things as well. We are doing focused charity apart from general charity. In our welfare endeavors, we supported the patients worth 550 millions in 23-24, whereas in 24-25 this figure rose to 810 million. So all welfare activities are being done generously and people are supporting us to do this activity. Whatever profit, if there is any, is earned during the business activities of the hospital, that goes back to welfare department and it is spent for the patient welfare and for the treatment of diseases. In our strict disciplinary control, we do not spend this welfare money to purchase or procure equipment or infrastructure. This is done by the donations by the generous trustees and donors. By the grace of Almighty Allah, Memon Medical Institute Hospital is supported by Memon Health and Education Foundation with over 200 trustees. They are generous, they are passionate, and they want to make a difference in this country. In our academic endeavors, we have already established Memon College of Nursing, which is carrying out BSN, that is Bachelor of Nursing, and community welfare and community nursing and midwifery courses and various other courses in its premises. At the same time, we have already established Memon College of Physical and Rehabilitative Medicine, that is conducting Doctor of Physical Therapy, 5 years degree program, and they are doing their best to produce the best graduates in nursing as well as in rehabilitative medicine. At the same time, in our hospital, we are conducting postgraduate fellowship program. That is a feather in the cap that under the auspices of College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan, we are imparting training to those who will be consultants in future. In these fields, the fields include general medicine, general surgery, neurosurgery, nephrology, urology, orthopedics, gynecology and obstetrics, and pediatrics. Many other fields are in the offing, and inshallah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, we'll be expanding this every day. The hospital building has been added and new wards have been inducted in recent past. In this year, we inducted Al-Nafis ward, which is uronephrology ward. It comprises about 38 beds and with 28 dialysis units. We inducted Al-Rufaidah gynecology and obstetric ward, which comprises of around 48 beds, and it has multiple gynecology and obstetrics facilities. Similarly, we have constructed a new ward, Al-Razi Abu Bakr Al-Razi, that will be comprising expanded pediatrics program. So we are cognizant that every day we have to progress ahead. Every step we take in the right direction will be in turn an example for others to follow. We are serving communities with our total passion, motivation and dedication. That is evident by all activities being conducted at this hospital. In our focused charity program, there is a unique program which we are conducting that has gift of sight, gift of mobility, and gift of hearing. Gift of mobility includes total knee replacement and total hip replacement free of cost. And in last few years, including last year, we have been successful to conduct over 1,650 total knee replacement and total hip replacement surgeries with state-of-the-art international standard implants and national standard surgeries. Similarly, in the program, focus program of gift of hearing, we have conducted around 50 cochlear implant surgeries. In the gift of hearing program, we have conducted over 56 cochlear implant surgeries in last year, and this is actually carried out with those children who are born deaf and dumb. This is a very, very high class and very technically intense surgery, and that has been conducted at this hospital, and that has been conducted free of cost to all those who could not afford or who could not even think of that. In gift of sight program, we are importing cornea from Sri Lanka and United States of America, and up till now we have been successful to conduct over 310 corneal transplant surgeries at our premises, and that too free of cost. This has been a success. Overall charity and welfare is there, but these focused charity programs are of its own type and actually exemplary for others to follow. In our program in fight against breast cancer, we have purchased state-of-the-art breast mammography machine, and that is free of cost for all ladies who are over 40. And we are trying our best that from awareness to diagnostics to treatment to surgery and to radiation, all span of treatment of breast cancer is carried out free of cost at this hospital. And the generous donors have already pledged over 1 billion for this program. Similarly, we conduct many continuous medical education seminars. We conduct workshops, we conduct CMEs, and many other activities which actually train our doctors and keep them abreast with the modern techniques, modern trends in healthcare delivery, and modern trends in the medical practice. By the grace of Almighty Allah, we are conducting internal and external audits of our hospital through renowned companies. At this point of time, we have got internal auditors, external auditors, and Shri auditors, so that we remain on our focused way and we remain on the righteous path to indeed serve the community. Alhamdulillah, we have been licensed by Sindh Healthcare Commission. We have been accredited by Sindh Environmental Protection Agency. We have been affiliated with College of American Pathologists for the quality of pathology tests, and all other regulatory requirements have been fulfilled by this hospital. Now we are stepping forward. After establishing a teaching hospital comprising 550 beds, now we are going for International Memon University. That will comprise many colleges, including medical, dental, pharmacy, rehabilitative medicine, nursing, and many others. We are trying our best to set an example, and we are endeavoring with my whole team that we will actually be an example for others to follow. Alhamdulillah, we have been successful up till now. Our motivation is high, our spirits are high, and above all, the support of our generous trustees is with us. Memon Medical Institute Hospital is a success story. It's purely a not-for-profit organization, and it is working strictly as per the vision and mission of the organization. In this not-for-profit organization, I am grateful to all of my staff, all of my team members, including consultants, nurses, paramedics, support staff, and all other allied departments, which are actually gelled in a team to make it a success. I am grateful and indebted to all my trustees and generous donors who stood behind me as a wall, and they are always there whenever there is an odd time, whenever there is a requirement, and their guidance has been a beacon light for us. Their passion, their vision, and their concept they conceived in 2002 is now turning into reality. Alhamdulillah, we are doing our best for a cause, and I am grateful to all those who are supporting us morally, physically, legally, and financially. I would expect that every one of you will support us and support this idea. When there is darkness and there is a beacon light, you have to protect it. And we all are there with our resilience, with our dedication and motivation. We will take the flag high. Memon Medical Institute Hospital, Zindabad. Pakistan, Paindabad. Thank you.